Hello everyone. I wish you all a very happy new year. Because of some engagement for the new year, I was not able to post some of the videos after my Power of Hand series. But here once again, I'm ready with some basic operations because I want the basic operations of the child to be clear first and how we can make it efficient. I found exploring Montessori methods is the best method to teach the child the concept because the concept has to be very clear for any child to move ahead with any kind of operations which will be involved during that sum only. But we will not be sure like which all operations, the basic operations we have to use going further in any numerics. But one challenge or one limitation you can say about the Montessori materials is also like when I went to my Montessori class, I found like there are multiplication board, subtraction board, addition board, division board, everything is available there. So subtraction and addition, I was able to make the child understand through my own method. But going forward for multiplication and division, I feel like it's not possible every time to carry the Montessori materials with you. But to take those concepts is very easy even with the help of the pen and paper or with the help of the whiteboard. So I will explain here how we can use the Montessori materials to teach and clear the concept of the child, at the same time avoiding the limitation which is in terms of carrying the Montessori materials everywhere. So let's go ahead with first of all the concept of arrays, because arrays are mostly very important to understand the concept of multiplication and division. Why? Because in arrays the number of rows represents the number of groups, which is actually equal to the answer for the division, which is called the quotient, and the number of columns is equal to the number of objects available in each group. So now if altogether the child is counting, they are getting the product of any two factors, any two numbers, which are the factors for that particular product. And if they are calculating the number of groups, they get the answer for the division. So let's move ahead with the concept of array. And arrays are very important to complete the multiplication sentence. Even in the division also, it will be very easy to understand the division sentence, because initially we make the child understand the concept and then we ask the child to complete the sentence by giving them fill up the blanks for what will come here in that particular column, and the answer they will be able to get. So first of all, if we ask the child to make two rows of 3, so this is called array. Make an array of two rows of 3. Two rows. So two rows definitely will be two rows of 3. So each row should be of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is called an array where we say two rows of 3. So the child will make the number like this. Now, if we want the child to understand the multiplication sentence using this array, what we have to make them understand? First of all, this is the vertical one. Let's not circle this because we will get confused when we are teaching the division concept. This is the horizontal line. Horizontal lines is 1, 2, 3. So this one 3 multiplied by vertical 1, 2. So it is equal to how many? So we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they will write 6. We got to know that the multiplication statement sentence can be made using the help of the arrays. So if we are suppose erasing this number and keeping here fill up the blanks, the child should be able to understand, okay, 3 into something is equal to 6. Okay, overall it is 6. 3 means 1, 2, 3, which is in the horizontal line. So definitely the vertical lines are missing. So in vertical line, how many are there? Okay, 1, 2. So the child will understand 2. Now moving forward for the multiplication with the arrays concept only. Suppose I give the child to do 5 into 3 is equal to what we have written. So we'll first say the child to write one horizontal line first. Make up so horizontal line first with seeing the number of, what is the number mentioned here first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now vertical we have to take care. So 3. So 1 is already there, 2 and 3. Now with the arrays concept, we can make the child understand, complete these arrays. Why? Because when we are talking about the arrays, we are saying group of 5 rows, 3 rows of 5 objects. This is called 3 rows of 5 objects, right? So definitely we have to complete this. So we will complete this by, like, every row should have, every column should have 3, 3. This is the number of rows and this is the number of columns. So column should be of 3, 3. This is the, this is the number of rows, this is the number of columns, and this is the number of rows. Now when we are going forward, we will just ask to simply count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. In this case, when we are asking the child to now draw a group 5 into suppose 2. So it will be very easy now for the child to understand, okay, again I have to make a row in which there will be 5 objects, and we have to make such rows, two such rows, 2 rows of 5 objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this also together it will make 2. And as we have said, like skip count, arrays are very, very important when we have understood the skip count. So as it is a group of 2, 2, so 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We will not ask the child to read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If the child has been already introduced with the skip count and are better. Otherwise, there is no harm to even count the child. It depends upon how your child perceives things. So don't put any constraint on the child like you have to count using 2. But in case of arrays or multiplication through arrays, it is advisable to ask the child to read in groups. So 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10. But as we are dealing with multiple or varied learners, so in that case, please don't put any constraint. But as I have put in my power of hand series the skip counting first, so it is a good method to move stage wise. So if the child has already learned the concept of skip count, they will find it very, very easy to understand. So here only if we are going to change it to, so this one is 10. So but again if we are going to change it to 3, so we will ask the child to just add one more here. And then the child in this time will be counting the skip count in terms of 3, 3. So 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15. So it will become 15. This is the best way to teach the child the concept, and Montessori material also actually does the same. As soon as they see here 5, they put the one of the pointer here at this number, and then they see here 3, so something here, and then 3 means they will make 1, 2, 3 columns, and then they fill all those till here. So but it is not possible to carry the Montessori material as I already told you. So this will be a better method. Though in the Montessori environment they teach using the multiplication rod as well, where they say like 5 into 3 whenever we are saying. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3, again the vertical lines 1, 2, 3, and then the point of connection like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But I feel this is little long way of solving. Why not help the child understand how to move ahead with this concept? So this becomes very, very easy for the child to understand, and going forward it will become very easy for the child to make their own dots and go ahead with that concept. So hope the child will be able to understand this using this method. This is under the heading of dots magic. So because we will be using the dot in place of in some more of the concepts, so I will put it as dot magic. Let's see how this actually creates some magic in our child's journey, child's learning journey, you can say. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video.